How do I identify the beliefs keeping me from getting what I want?
Well, you know, this is what we call a PBS, a perceptual blind spot. And basically, what we need to begin to do is sort of step back from the immediate circumstances. We need to quiet that emotional turmoil that it would be like getting a bee sting. That's probably a pretty good example. Once the bee stings, it's very, very hard to sort of disengage from that. About the biggest thing we have to really exercise is the terms of disengagement, because it's very difficult to do that once we've set that chain reaction into motion. So one of the first things we want to do is begin to remember, and that's the only thing I care about. When I am in your life, it is because it is time for you to begin to remember who you are and why you are, where you are. That's the only thing I care about. Within your mind, you still hold the memory of your original intention. So it really is a question of coming back into alignment with that original intention. And therefore, what we have to do more than anything else is sort of like learn how to not go down that one-way, dead-end street. And at some point in the journey, you begin to realize, you know, not all of them are. Some of them are on-ramps to the highway of life. Some of these things are little tricks that, you know, they become a one-way, dead end. There's like no way out except you have to go all the way back through it. So we have to come up with some little terminology that we can use. One of the ones that we'll talk about today is, where's the gift? And there are things like that. Or I know how I want to feel. 3, 2, 1. And that gives me the chance to sort of break that spell. Another quick one would be in this moment, and so this is all paraphrasing, but in this moment, I can feel this stuff welling up. So in this moment, I am, and then you fill in the blank. So, you know, in this moment, I am really frustrated. In this moment, I want to strangle. You know, in this moment, I am really angst. And then it's almost as though we go, and we snap that moment and we say, now I am not. So there are little techniques that we can develop to sort of strengthen the muscle of the awareness that there is within your psyche, there is within your mind, this true decision-making capability. And once we get you back there, you know, that's the good stuff.